That's Niblet. She's sitting in for Julie today, and Julie's in the other room doing her videos for her channel. So I got the controls today, and Niblet volunteered to. Well, she didn't really volunteer. I volunteered her to stay in for Julie this afternoon. So Happy New Year. This is the last of our year, and we're going to take and show you our last video for the year. It's been a crazy year, and this is our trip into downtown Dallas to go pay our taxes, our property taxes. How exciting can that be? It was raining pretty hard and it was pretty ugly, but we had a lot of fun. And hold tight, and I'm going to send you this video. Hope you enjoy, because it's our thing. We'll see you in a minute. Bye.
Hey everybody, that's Robert.
That's Julie.
And it's our thing.
And we're getting wet.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting ready to go downtown to downtown Dallas, and we're gonna go pay our property taxes. So we're gonna take a train ride, and we're gonna get wet.
We're gonna take y'all along with us.
Yes, we are.
Aren't we?
Yep. So we'll be leaving in a few minutes. Until then,
hang on.
Hang on.
We'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. We're on the train.
Alright, buddy. No Guineas, no tequila, no sir. No Formax, no Form Bs.
Show them the
The
decorations.
doors right here. You let them close at the same time, we'll just sit there beside the whole.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it's this one.
Yeah,
Very small, this is fast.
Yeah, so it closes too
Yeah,
fast.
I have
The train is very festive this time of year.
I haven't had any other problems. There's
Even the windows. It's a dirty scene. It's a dirty scene.
Mom.
Until then, have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas. See you then.
Where, Mom?
Bye.
Mom. Molly. Come here, you. Come here, Miss Cat. Oh man, did you hear that?
Mm-hmm. Look at our ticket.
He's not.
Why won't he do it?
Most of the time they know I'm a regular, so they won't. And you're with me, so they won't look at the ticket. Now, if fare enforcement's on here, they'll look at the ticket. Huh?
If who?
Fare enforcement.
What's that?
Fare enforcement is basically the dart rail cops or the dart rail security people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But a lot of times, if you ride like today, and at this time of day, they won't do it because there's nobody. They're not worried about it. They're worried about it more go home time and early in the morning. This is what I do every day, just about.
The next station is downtown Urban Heritage Crossing.
So now we're gonna stop again?
Huh?
We're gonna stop again?
Yeah, we're going to stop again and we're going to get off the train. And we're going to catch our next train.
Do what?
We get off our train and we catch our next train that takes us to where we need to go.
I thought we rode this all the way downtown.
No. Then we ride it to the edge of downtown. And then we take the next train into downtown.
But we didn't do that when we went to the Stars game.
Right, because that's where we needed to be. We're going to where the Stars play. And then we're going to catch another train from there.
I'm confused, but okay. I forgot to record. Hey. That's where we're going. What is that over there?
Where?
Right here, with the tower.
County Records Building.
The one with the tower?
Oh, the tower is the old red courthouse.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah. Storage place.
What is that over there?
Over where? The white thing on the ground over there is the Kennedy Memorial.
White thing on the ground.
The white thing, the white and gray thing.
Oh yeah?
And then behind it is the Campbell Courthouse.
That's where Kennedy was shot?
No, Kennedy was shot down here,
Oh, okay.
down the street. But that's where they say that's his memorial.
So where are we at?
This is the corner bakery on the corner of
There's West End Square.
yeah. This is the West End Square, and this is in the Paramount Building.
Oh, so this is the Paramount
This is
building.
the
that you're
Paramount
talking about.
Building. Yeah. And it's
So when you walk across the street, what are you saying when you walk?
I walk across that street, and then the other street
To get here.
to get here. Yep. Yep. And the train literally drops me off in front of my office. And I just walk across the street to get to my office. Hey.
Here we are. We're headed back to Irving. We just got through eating lunch at the Corner Bakery.
And
We
paninis.
got some cookies.
Yeah. Got
Yep.
half my head. There we go. You got half your head now. There we go. It's nasty wet.
It's
It's
nasty.
raining like crazy.
I'm ready to get home and put on some warm clothes.
She sees what I go through every single day when I come downtown.
Well, it's not all rainy weather.
No. But, you know,
Well,
it's not bad.
I look worse for wear, don't I? I look old today.
I
What
look
happens
wet.
when you stay up to 2 o'clock in the morning?
I look wet.
Yep. You were wet.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see y'all in a minute.
Getting off the train.
Okay, we're good.
Huh?
We're getting off the train.
Yeah, we're getting off the train.
We're going home. We have to get warm. I have to get my feet warm. We're not quite there yet.
Not quite there yet, but we'll be
I'm
there
not
in a
getting
second.
up. I'm not getting up until it stops because I'm not going to fall on my face. I'm going to fall flat on my face. And these guys up back here are talking about shop. Why would you talk about shop when you're on the train working?
I don't know. Maybe talking train shop. I don't know.
Anyway, well, that's been our day. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We'll talk to you later. That's Robert.
That's Julie.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.